Remove the cap from the inhaler. Shake the inhaler well for 5 seconds. Hold the inhaler firmly by placing your index finger on top of the canister and thumb on the bottom of the mouthpiece. Sit up straight or stand up. Tilt your head back slightly. Exhale away from the inhaler. Place the device between your teeth and hold it tightly with your lips. Do not bite it. Press the inhaler and start breathing in at the same time. Take a slow and deep breath. Remove the device from your mouth by holding your breath for at least 5 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth or nose. Repeat steps 2 to 7 after 30 seconds, if another dose is required. If you are using a corticosteroid medication, rinse your mouth after all doses are complete.